And as I close, I want to remind you of another Shakespearean theme, really a theme of a special kind of friendship, and that is a friendship that is called love. He says that it is an ever-fixed mark. It is a lighthouse that stands against storms and shines its beacon. It is a guiding star to every wandering bark, to every barge or boat. We know it's tall, we don't know its worth, but it gives us guidance. True love bears to the end, the bard tells us. And Shakespeare says that if he is wrong about this, that the greatest writer in English claims to have never written. I wanted you to think about these words, first in my thinking about Jan, and also I wanted you to remember them about your own lives and your own loves, the people that you love in your own life. Thank you again, and may God bless you all.